Hey everyone, what's up? Today we're going to Ekoko Rocks. So just recently we saw this in Facebook and we're really excited to go there. Let's go! So guys, right after going out of diversion, wagi mo, you will cross the first bridge, and then after crossing, there's a road going west, and mo ni siya guys, ang atong So guys, we just arrived here at the turning point to Ekoko Rocks. That's going there, and you'll stop, or you have to stop by on this white store here. Yeah. So these are the people that I'll be going with.
Guys, ganano mag-soft drinks? Palit na lang tadaan ng soft drinks na rin. I-edit pa rin Nakahigo pa natin. Makakuyang ako.
So apparently guys, the road going to Ekoko is pretty steep. So fortunately the owner of the resort has a service that costs around 150 to pick us up here, because we're not sure if our motorcycles can handle the inclination. We're just waiting for them right on this white store on the back. So yeah, just taking our time here, enjoying the moments. Friday?
Oh, Saturday.
Saturday. So guys, our ride has arrived. Okay.
Oh, naol kayo yun.
Uy, pagtarong mo drug drive.
Careful mo ah. Asa rin dapat na rin ang buhay. Diferensya.
Lord, among ginapray si Bless nga ma-apply niya ang Philippians 4:13 sa iyang kinabuhi. Kaya mag-worship lead na siya, Lord. Nawara ko na yung sitwasyon, Lord.
Kaya magod ko.
Bless.
Itan daw ni Nato.
Pag-pray nagsugod, Bless.
Ano?
No.
Wait, tayo sa mulupot na tayo.
Oh, guys.
Pagkunit mo nila, boss.
It's very steep. Like it's around 30-degree angle.
Binahon din ako rin pala sa lagulagpot ko.
So guys, this is the reason anong gapa-pick up Ramikay.
Mga mahihinan nila lang.
Medyo steep ang dalan, tapos di pa siya sementado. But however, we have some brave warriors here. Mga anad sa kabundukan. Sila rin ang ni-take sa risk guys. So may kay mga talawan man may. So guys, after around 300 meters of those unforgiving roads, so we were greeted with this cemented road. Thank you DPWH. So we just arrived at Ekoko, and yeah, that was a life-changing ride. Sir Ken. Hope you are well.
The light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. We could rent a room and watch the stars dance round the moon. Fall asleep to the sounds of the sea. You by my side is such a sweet life. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me.
We don't know yet, so we'll just have to...
Okay, because I've put one up there
One.
already.
Just
Yeah.
one.
That's
So they've got here brewed coffee, halo halo, fresh fruit shake, and I think that's a passion shake. They've got some drinks and also some other drinks. It's cool. Sir, nice kanyang place, sir.
Thank you. Welcome to Icolco Rocks.
Thank you,
Please
sir.
conserve water, energy. If dili ginagamit ang CR, ipalungon na ang kanang paan.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. We'll violate all the rules.
discount.
So we're gonna take you in a tour, guys. So let's have a tour. So this place is their entrance. You'll have to register your name there and pay all the fees right there. And just right here, we have here this beautiful stairs
And the beautiful people right here.
and the nature that surrounds it. So we have the rooftop. Beautiful rooftop. Thanks. Oh. Right now, guys, I'm so amazed that we have just this wonderful break after a busy week. And we have here the overlooking Dumaguete City. So we'll have to wait tonight and see how this beautiful view will light up. And we're pretty excited. So a lot of rock formation right here. And it's right here. So apparently I'm thinking we should put our tent somewhere there. And yeah, by the way, guys, meet my friend Alvin.
How are you guys?
Alvin is a chef. He's a barista. And he's also a rider.
Rider.
Yeah. Right corner
What's up, guys?
is our drummer.
What's up, guys?
He's taking up the course radioactivity. I'm not sure why he's laughing. So amazingly, there's actually more camping site right here, the bottom part of that infinity pool, and also right here, and guys, look at this right here, beautiful. Also there, right here, and that wonderfully placed tent. Look at this. They have some passion fruits. So this is where we're gonna have to wash your dishes. What's that? Real? What? Nakakain yung plastic ha? Masarap ba, sir?
Plastic.
Wow. So just a quick tip, you can actually ask the owner or the resort to cook the rice for you. So you just have to prepare the rice and then they're gonna cook it on the rice cooker.
Kalimot ko doon.
Napa mani. Wala lang. Ring-ring ba?
Mapasay si Kuya Cart. Araw na yung may natapang na nakatik malapit. Kinahanglan yung tap.
French press. Ako rin nag-iba na ba na ha? Wala ko ikuan nga. Wala pa siya lang.
Kasi kinalagyan siyang mapagka-poppy. Pero bigla mo siya.
Okay na na. Ay, dili ka kisabot. Out.
Nakapag-up sa South.
Ma-download na siya.
Yeah, yun na yan. Hirap mo rin.
DJ Atake.
Nanigara. Giving ako sa computer.
Ay, si! Ako na lang ka din. Ay, si!
Asa ang guwanis?
Kung mag-prep ka.
Sige, go!
Lakyar na lakyar. Adalan na good. Bintang law, ikaw ay ilaw. Apo, dari na tayo matang sabaw. Ako natin.
Wow. Si Ronix ba?
Ano na galing
Happy birthday to you. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ikaw na po siya kuya.
Pastor.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Ayun yung angle mo yun.
Sino na? Okay, Posh. Okay na yun.
Uy, naana sa daan sa box. Naana sa daan sa box.
I-murder mo na. I love you, te. Okay na. Ako na to.
Ang wish ka din matupad inyo.
Ikan sa preso.
So guys,
Kita yung layer.
Kuya Seth received cake from Ate May. Ate May, ganun gyatagan mo cake.
Ka-birthday man.
Ha? Wala man minihatag cake, ikaw ra.
Happy birthday to you. Happy send off to you. Happy send off to you. Yeah.
Let's go to the beach, each let's get away. Say, what's gonna say on the beach? Click on the light, let's go to the beach, hard to go back, let's turn off, let's get it. Ilang GC ato. Ilang GC. Lalong ilang flash. Wait, so. Sige, timer na lang. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hala! Mura, gulahay mo. Okay, sige siya mag-iiyak. Sayon, nagaling. Sige. Like what we got, oh baby, I know sometimes it's gonna rain. But baby, can we make up now? Cause I can't see through the pain. Can't see through the pain. Wanna go to bed. Asa to bless? Back at me. No, I don't wanna go to bed. Wanna go to bed. Back at me. No.
So guys, it's already 12 in the midnight and just have some late night talks and I'll sleep in a while.
I'm